In this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change your name on Shein application. If you want to change your name or your nickname on Shein, then the process is quite easy. So let's jump right in. Start off by opening up your Shein application on your preferred mobile device. Also make sure that you're logged into your accounts. After you are, tap on the Me button at the bottom right hand corner. This will open up several other options. Now click on the Gear button at the top right hand corner from this page. This will open up the settings menu. Tap on your name located at the top of the screen and you'll be able to see a nickname text box. Tap on it once again and enter your nickname or your name you'd want to change to for your Shein account. After you are done, tap on save and you have successfully changed your name on Shein. Pretty easy, isn't it? If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.